Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to look at the fire pot. Now I bought these ages ago, and what I did was, I first seen them on Instagram. I bought the mini taste test type pot box, so you get 4 of mixed flavors and stuff, instead of the bigger packs of this. So I never tried it before, so I got the little taster version of it. So they sent me spicy pork noodles, barbecued pulled pork, pasta, and a beef stew. So I'm gonna have the beef stew, Trudy's gonna have the barbecued pulled pork, and have a little taste test. It does look really healthy compared to MREs on the back of it. I'll put a picture up of each one so you can see it on the screen. The instructions are open pouch, remove the sachet, pinch the pouch at level 4. Level 4 for this one, because each one has different amounts of water. So pinch this one at mark 4, pour in 140 ml of boiling water up to correct level, stir well, seal, and let it stand for 15 minutes. Stir again and enjoy. And that's what it is. And I'm trying to lean more towards the dry food than the wet food. We're going to boil some water up and have a go with this one.
So you take that out.
Yep.
Do not eat. You see?
I think so. Yeah. Pinch it to your level.
Level 3.
So Trudy's pack is level 3, mine's 4.
So I'm assuming you just... That's it, and stir it. Looks like dried up bark. And seal it up. I'll leave it for 15 minutes. 151.
And I got the beef stew.
Yeah. Looks like waffles. That's going to be potato or something, is it?
Yeah, interesting. Right, so mine is level 4. And it says pinch, but
I think you just hold.
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It doesn't really show anything on the inside, really.
Right, so I get this. Yeah, that's about right. Right. And now it's just wait 15 minutes. So I'll put the camera back on when that's ready.
Okay. So this is the barbecue pulled pork. Ooh, it doesn't look particularly appetizing, but
Also, by the way, I did buy this and pay for it, so they didn't give it to us for free or anything like that. So this is an honest review of how it's going to be.
I guess it is looking a little bit more like pulled pork than it did to start with. Right, here goes.
Does look nice.
Smells good. It tastes right. Oh yeah. Sweet. A little chewy, but that's nice. Want to try some?
A little bit. Looks good. Smells nice. Cool.
That's good.
So we're still waiting for mine, and then I'll show you that one. Okay, mine's ready. I'm hoping it tastes better than it looks. So that's how it looks. You should be able to see that. If not, okay. So it still looks a bit waffly. You can taste the meat and the potatoes. Taste the seasoning, that's nice. Bit of carrots and stuff. Yeah. I mean, when you bite into the carrots and stuff, it tastes juicy, like, because you just put all this in there, but it tastes like real food.
Oh yeah. It does look like maybe a little bit too much water in it, but we'll see.
Yeah?
That's nice.
Yeah. So far this is nice. Let me just give you, hold on a second for me please. Sorry for the wind, it's we're still camping. Right, so the pulled pork, sounds posh there, isn't it? Barbecue pulled pork, a normal size one is $6.95. A regular serving is 125 grams, and you get 610 calories. The extra large serving is 190 grams, and you get 925 calories. Let me just see how much the extra large is. So the extra large is £8.95, and you get option of packaging for the environment and stuff. So it's not too bad. I mean, I would do a regular serving. $6.95 for this. I don't think that's too far from the wet food price you pay for in a camping shop. That's between $4.95 and $5.95. But this would be a lot lighter in weight, so it would be a bit nicer.
So these are about half a standard size. Yeah. That's the mini portion.
Yeah, and that's still a good amount in here, I think.
I think so.
Yeah. So yeah, so far so good. Just giving you a first impression review of this. Like I said, we had those two flavors. If you want, I'll shoot another two later on. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know about that one. I'll put a link to the description box below. Like I said, this is an honest review. They both taste nice. It's a healthier food option. That's what they were trying to go for. Like a better nutritional value than the Rat Packs. So that's it for now, but thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below and let me know what you think and give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.